Hello and welcome to the 2026 Great Wheelbarrow Race. Thank you to all our sponsors that have made this happen, and more importantly, thank you to you.
People are dressed up in all sorts of outfits. Really great to see for Mareeba, great for tourism, great for the state.
Yeah, my name's Andrew. As you can see, the troopy there is running for Edna. So Edna's my mother-in-law. Yeah, just something special, just doing it in honour of her. So Edna, running for Edna.
Good morning everyone from Dimbula. We're off bright and early to Petford and Almaden.
Everyone, I'm so proud of you all. You made it. I know those legs were sore and I know it seemed like a long day, but you're here. And I tell you what, tomorrow when you run across that finish line, you are going to be so proud of yourself.
And the winner with a time of 16 hours, 52 minutes and 36 seconds, Ronaldo.
Yeah, no, we're feeling good. We had a good night's rest. Day two really took it out of us. We knew we had to dig deep.
So the winner of the duo was the current state of mind.
We are to Chillagoe for coal. This is day 3. We have made it. We've enjoyed quite a few jokes and laughs along the way.
Alrighty-o, this is a messy donut, man, and boys, we made it!